Welcome back into the show. Time for some 8-1 for your health. Join with us now. We've got Dr. Ramah Wagner. Welcome to the show.
Hey, thanks for having me. I'm super excited to be here.
You are a third-generation chiropractor, and you're all about, wellness, taking control of our pain, because chronic pain is something, unfortunately, a lot of folks are dealing with.
Over 20% of Americans are living in chronic pain. Tiger Woods, Lady Gaga, George Clooney, all famously suffer with chronic pain. And I say that you can eliminate or reduce pain from home and easily.
That's good to hear.
And so as a doctor of chiropractic for, over 20 years, I've helped like 7,000 patients overcome chronic pain, including myself. And I wrote about it in my new book called Journey Through Chronic Pain. And what we do is we talk about how they can eliminate or reduce pain. So we have, for your audience today, 4 free, fun, and easy celebrity home remedies for chronic pain. So the first one, Jane Fonda Phenomenon.
Ooh.
So like Jane Fonda, okay, always in her leotard, woo! So besides that, the leotard that Jane Fonda always wore, she always said that you should stretch before you start doing a workout. So we're gonna right now just go ahead and drop our head, our ear to our head. And instead of pulling, you're gonna wanna pull, but you're gonna wanna push instead. So I'm gonna go this way. We're gonna push up, push, push up. That's right, you're pushing up towards the ceiling, right? And so you want to do that for about 5 seconds, and that's going to really loosen a lot of the chronic pain in your neck. Don't forget to push up. If you want more couch yoga stretches like this, you can go onto my website at wagnerchiro.com, and there's a bunch more free. All right, the second home remedy for chronic pain is the Arnold Schwarzenegger arm workout. You take a deep breath. And as you come down, you're pressing like you have a book, like your bookends, your hands are bookends, and you're pushing hard. Drop your shoulders down and squeeze, and I mean push. You want to push, 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 and you're going to feel why Arnold's arms were so strong, and your back and your neck. And again, I have more couch workout on wagnerchiro.com for free.
Easy to do from home.
All right. The third celebrity home remedy for chronic pain is the Madonna makeover. Now, Madonna loves the rebounder, so you're going to have to go to Amazon.com and get just a little $29.95 trampoline. They call it rebounders. And what you're going to find out, now at first you're going to want to start out kind of slow. Like you don't want to go nuts or anything because, you don't want to bounce off
yourself,
there or break a hip. But as you build up, all right, it's going to increase your circulation, cause lymphatic drainage, which removes toxins and poisons out of your body. If you're in chronic pain, you got a lot of inflammation going on. So really important for that. And then also in 10 minutes on this, you can get 10,000 steps. So easily from home, you can kind of get your strength up and come back to life, come out of chronic pain. And the fourth celebrity home remedy for chronic pain is called the Tom Cruise technique. Yep, you're gonna need, a bag of ice and a hot water bottle, and you're gonna go heat, then ice, heat, then ice. You're gonna alternate. All right, now Tom Cruise loves cold water therapy, and so do I. So what I do is I'll go into a hot shower for 20 minutes, and then after go right into cold water, right? Yeah, no.
You crank it to cold?
Yes, and what that will do, and you can do that with this too if you don't want to do that. You can have a hot, boiling hot water. You can put this on a chronic shoulder problem for 20 minutes, moist heat, and then go right after for 20 minutes, ice. And you could do that on the low back problems, any kind of knee problems. It's just really amazing.
I love these solutions because and they're holistic. Like, it's not just taking another pill for the treatment or getting an injection, which is so critical, especially in today's day and age. I mean, you're a doctor, you deal with these patients all the time, right? With pain all over the body, right?
Well, for 20 years. And hey, I lived for over 7 years in chronic pain, and nobody should have to live in chronic pain.
I love it. Yes. Great tips. Thank you so much, Ramah. Anything we missed that you want to chime in and add here?
Well,
tell us where we can get your books.
Yeah, where you'd want to know more is Amazon.com. You can find Journey Through Chronic Pain. And again, go to my website. Find those free videos. I put them on for you guys so that you can have help at home for chronic pain.
Yeah, check out those resources, all available there. That's what her book looks like right there, available on Amazon. Dr. Ramah Wagner. We appreciate you. Thank you so much.
Thanks for having me.
Great stuff.